Traders in the building, welcome to another video, welcome to the channel. Today we are back again with another weekly analysis, and we'll be doing the dollar index, gold, US100 and US30. So I will start with the dollar index since it's the first on the watch list. So there's really not much to do, as we've seen that there was not much that has happened last week in the market. Well, for me, according to me, there was not much. All the setups that I had were not respected, and from then I can just say, well, let's just go on with the video, right? So you see how we had a strong support at this level, right? And we took a buy at the, well, we said there was going to be a buy at this level, right? The market went up, it failed at this trend line that I drew here. I'm going to show you. It failed, and then it went to the downside, and from here again we thought there was going to be a buy, but unfortunately the market broken below, breaking our structure, which was a support, turning this support into now a resistance, right? Turning this support into now a resistance. So for the week that is coming, I do see that the market is going to give a sell setup, but it's not yet complete, as I have indicated here. I say sell setup information, right? I indicated that there is a sell setup that is information, which is this one. I'm seeing that this market has more potential to go to the upside and then fail at that resistance, which was then a support before, and then maybe take a short position up again to this supporting area here. And for those who are wondering maybe how I drew this trend line, let me just walk you through it. So this trend line here, I don't analyze. Well, I use it only where it's necessary. Honestly, I never use it as something that I can say it's part of my strategy. But you see how we had a first touch here, a second touch, and this trend line proved to be valid when it came for the third time here, and for the fourth time again it supported at that level, right? And you saw again it came again here. It came every time when the market came to that level. It showed to be respecting the trend line, and it's supported. But now from last week we had a strong momentum to the downside, so much that it broke the trend line. So this is why I feel as though this market is about to change direction, because ever since it was at that high, it was not trending but rather ranging. So maybe it just needed it was just gathering momentum to then give a direction bias, which we have seen that is going to be a sell. So for the week that is coming, I really see myself waiting for a sell setup at this level here, and then taking a short position. This could be a first take profit, and maybe a further take profit could be this low, maybe something over here, right? But that's just a story for another day. But if it happens that the market again goes above the resistance, turning it into support again, we will obviously wait for a retest and then push this market to the upside until the trend line and the resisting area there. So this is what I'm looking for on the dollar index. So going on to gold. On gold, by the way, I'm still bearish. My setup, my analysis hasn't changed a bit ever since 3 weeks before. I think I've been seeing that gold has been caught up in a range, right, for since August. I think since July it has been caught up in a range, and 3 weeks back we were back at that level, exactly at that level, and I did say we were supposed to be taking sells at that level. And for those who did, which I did because I trade gold specifically, I saw some profits and it went up again. I said again we should be taking sells again, because it was a resistance that is strong on a daily time frame. If you can go on a daily time frame, you will see that this is a strong resistance over there. So now we are back again at that level. You see how the market has been bouncing off that level. So for me, until the market can break above that level, I don't see this as a bullish market. And until the market maybe can come to this low, I don't see myself buying anytime soon in this market. For me to look for buys, it would have to be something like a breakout, retest, then maybe a continuation, or maybe the market should complete the sell setup, and then maybe from there I can look for buyers. Because you can see how every time the market got to this level, and many times than once, it showed to be respecting the level and supported in many times. So this is a level where I will be taking profit, and a level where I will be definitely looking for buyers. But for now, we are definitely bearish on gold for the week that is coming, which is 17 January until the 22nd of January, I believe. Well, yeah, I believe it is. So going to another one, which is the US100. I'm still bullish on the US100, and the reason for that is because let me zoom in. The reason why I'm still bullish on this market is because I see that we are above a strong support, right? A strong support. There's a 4-hour time frame. You see how we had a support here, another support at this level, and the market came again here. It showed to be supporting. You see that wick, it supported, and then we had the week that we opened with that spiked us out. But if you can look at this market on a daily time frame, you will notice that this market is really not a breakout. It was just a fake out. By the way, let me just go to the daily time frame and show you what I mean, guys. It was just a fake out. The reason wait, let me zoom. You see how this candlestick here, it broken below, but it closed above that level over there. So for me, I still believe that because now we are still above that support, that strong support that we've had for the longest of time, 3 weeks or not, or I think months. I think it's been 2 months or 1 month. We are still above that level, so I'm still looking for buys at this level. Unless the market can then close below this area, then we can wait for a retest and then take a short position. So this is what I'm looking for on Nasdaq, which is also known as US100, for the week that is coming. I really don't have much on it. There's really not much that I'm seeing, except for I'm seeing that there's a continuation of a bullish setup that we've been anticipating since last week. Now going to US30, I'm bullish again on US30, and I see a break and retest type of structure, right? It's a break and a retest type of structure. So you will see that this on a 4-hour, it's not clean. I drew this support and resistance from a 4-hour, I mean from a daily. Sorry for that. If you can go to a daily time frame, you will notice how clean it is. On a daily time frame, it's very clean. We had a resistance at this level, resisted with this doji here, resisted here, resisted again at this level, resisted again for about a week. We've been resisting at that level, and then it got broken eventually and came here. So the market tried to spike below the level, but it couldn't close below that support. So which then proved that this is a valid support. And now the market again this week, last week, it did try to drop below that level, but unfortunately it found support at this trend line that we drew from the first touch here, the second touch here, the third touch, and for the fourth touch it came again, it supported. And now I do see that this market is still at that supporting area. So for me, I'm looking for buys at this level. There's no reason for me to look for sells, unless of course the market can maybe close at this area and then maybe give a retest, and then we can then say market is going to take is going for a short position, changing direction for a short for a bearish market. Going to a 4-hour, just to show you how I drew that trend line. By the way, if you want to learn how I draw my trend lines, there is a video that I posted. Go and watch that video. It will help you a lot. You see there's the first touch, a second touch. Had you entered here on a third touch, which was on Friday, I believe, you would have been profitable. This is a lot on US30. US30 moves, so this was really a good amount of money, and following just the trend line trading strategy, you would have made some cash over there. You see there's a touch here, touch there. Had you took a sell here, you would have made some money there. Took another sell there, you would have made. So if you want to learn how I draw my trend lines, how I draw my support and resistance, there are videos on that, so please go and watch those videos. Thank you guys for watching up to this far. This is my bias for the week that is coming, which is from the 17th until the 21st of January 2022. Other than that, there's nothing more to say, guys. I hope you all the best. I hope you succeed in this market, and I am pretty much done for this analysis video. So yeah.